Hi, thank you for joining me. My name is Deb, and I'm the influencer at Bowl Me Over. Thank you also for joining the challenge. And what we're going to do today is just kind of show you the basics of the Instant Pot. I want to help you get it out of the pantry, out from the cupboard, up on your countertop and using it home. A lot of people are intimidated by the Instant Pot, and I don't want you to be afraid. So I thought I'd start off with just showing you the basics. When you get it in, get it out of the box, it's going to come in several pieces. And this is obviously the stainless steel cooking vessel, which goes right into the body of the Instant Pot. You're also going to get a cord, and self-explanatory, but just pop that cord in and plug it in, and you're going to see it turn on. Let's see here, and I think you can see that. Perfect. You see where it says off? So now the next thing is the trivet. You'll get a trivet with it. You'll use this when you're steaming, and it fits right into the body, right into the vessel in the Instant Pot. When you put it in, when you're cooking, bring the little arms up, and it makes it really easy to lift out your food once it's cooked. And the next thing is the top. It's kind of a big, intimidating thing. I'm going to show you the ins and outs of it. And also, one thing a lot of people don't realize is this top, everything that's on this top can go in the top drawer of your dishwasher. So it makes cleaning a lot easier. One thing you want to do every time is clean the ring. It's a rubber ring. It sets right into this line inside. It takes a little bit of pushing and adjusting, but just pull it around, all the way around, and seal it in. You might have to go around it a couple of times, and that's perfect. So see how it seals right in? The next thing you'll have is the valve, and the valve actually comes out. There's a little grommet and then also a stainless steel piece. And it should be cleaned every time you use your Instant Pot also. So if you can see this, it's going to slide right through. And the grommet fits right on top, just like that. And when the Instant Pot comes to pressure, this valve raises on the top, and that's what holds the pressure and the steam in. So that's kind of the basics there. If you're like me, the first thing that you'll want to order is the replacement for this. Not trying to sell you any affiliate links, but this grommet is the first thing that you'll lose. Speaking from personal experience, mine went down the garbage disposal, and I was able to get it though. But just as a quick FYI. And then when you're ready to cook, how you'll know it's sealed is you'll place the Instant Pot on the lid and then lock it. So you hear it unlock and then lock. That's it for today. Tomorrow we're going to do some more tips, and I'll show you how to do the water test. Thank you for joining me.